Hello and welcome back, guys. If you spend a lot of time on your gaming PC, one of these would make for the best keyboard for your sessions, whether you're immersing in an open world game or battling it out in an arena with other players. It's simply a matter of selecting the right kind for your needs, and there are several. So in today's video, we'll go over the best-selling gaming keyboards of 2024. Let's get started. Razer Tartarus V2. First off, there's the Razer Tartarus V2 Keyboard. You can purchase it and make your favorite games much easier to play owing to its incredibly cool features and keys. When you're in the center of the battlefield, you need to be able to cast spells and activate skills quickly. With the Tartarus V2, you can assign commands and skills and trigger them instantly, all from the palm of your hand. The Razer Tartarus V2 has 32 completely programmable mecha-membrane keys, plus an 8-way directional D-pad and a 3-way scroll wheel, so you can execute any command you desire. The keypad also includes individually customizable backlit keys with 16.8 million color possibilities, which may be easily configured using Razer Synapse. And with its improved ergonomic form factor and adjustable palm rest with 2 configurations, you can get the exact angle of comfort you require. Equip yourself with a comprehensive arsenal of 32 completely programmable keys for skills, hotkeys, and macros at your disposal. The 8-way directional thumbpad can also be utilized to facilitate movement or expand on commands. Advanced ergonomics ensures a comfortable fit whether you're gaming for an hour or 10. It also includes a detachable palm rest with 2 adjustable configurations to accommodate your chosen angle of comfort. Redragon K585 DITI. This is a highly elegant and well-designed device that is the greatest one-handed gaming keyboard available at its price point. This option has 42 total keys, with 7 programmable macro keys. It also has a wrist rest that is magnetically attached to the keyboard and snaps straight on, making it incredibly easy to remove if necessary. It's vital to notice that the wrist rest isn't comfortable or padded because it's primarily designed to maintain your hand at the proper height and position. The rubber on the back prevents slipping on the surface and keeps it in the position you want. The spacebar is located exactly where your thumb would normally go, making it incredibly ergonomic and simple to use. Overall, the layout and design of this keyboard make it easy to use for people with a variety of hand sizes. And to top it all off, the Redragon is really inexpensive. It's available in black and white, as well as a variety of customizable backlight colors and effects. HORI Tactical Assault Commander F14. Next, we'll be digging into precision control with the HORI Tactical Assault Commander F14, which is a game killer. Unboxing this elegant peripheral exposes an ergonomic keypad with a position-adjustable analog stick, ensuring a comfortable and immersive gaming experience. With 21 customizable keys, simultaneous character movement and command input becomes seamless, adapting to a wide range of gaming scenarios. The option to save up to 8 profiles straight to the smartphone is a notable feature, making it ideal for seamlessly moving between games. The associated PC program enhances customization by allowing users to easily modify stick and dead zone settings. The F14 feels intuitive to use, with tactile feedback and responsive controls that improve gameplay. However, there is a modest learning curve for individuals unfamiliar with keypad-style controllers, and compatibility with specific gaming genres may be limited. Regardless of these factors, the F14's ergonomic form, flexible customization options, and precise control make it an excellent addition to any gamer's setup. RedThunder. The RedThunder gaming keypad comes with all the required features. It's worth noting that the keyboard features an ergonomic design, making it ideal for gaming fans. Not to add, the keyboard allows you to play games based on your instincts. Moreover, the keyboard is made of high-quality ABS plastic, ensuring that you can game on it for many years. The keystrokes have a lifespan of more than 10 million, which means you won't have to change the keys or caps as regularly. Did I mention the chaos generated by the keyboard? Recently, individuals have been purchasing the keyboard in quantity. Such one-handed keyboards are understandably hard to come by, so why not stock up? Anyway, the keyboard also has distinct lights. You can alter the profiling according to your preferences by using the function key on the keyboard, as well as your keyboard provides excellent reaction when typing, coding, or gaming. Overall, it's an excellent one-handed keypad that you can get in 2024. Enhance. Finally, we have the Enhanced Gaming Keypad, which is a tiny, one-handed gaming keyboard meant to elevate your gaming experience. This small keyboard's eye-catching 7-color LED lighting, which includes 2 dynamic effects and 7 solid colors – blue, green, yellow, cyan, red, purple, and white – allows you to personalize your gaming setup and add a bit of flair. The highlight feature is its programmable buttons, which allow you to easily construct unique macros and perform commonly used key combinations, providing you a competitive advantage and saving valuable time during hard gaming sessions. The ergonomic wrist pad integrated into the design keeps your wrist in a comfortable posture, increasing endurance during long gaming marathons. It also has pro-level features such as a water-resistant design with drainage holes, responsive membrane keys, and a heavy-duty braided USB cable to handle the rigors of intensive gaming. So, overall, whether you play first-person shooters or another genre, the Enhanced Gaming Keypad is a tiny powerhouse that blends design and practicality, making it an excellent addition for gamers wishing to upgrade their setup. And that concludes our video. We really hope you enjoyed it. To receive notifications when we release more hot videos, click the subscribe button and bell icon. Thank you, and see you guys in the next video.